In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your resume from Google Drive. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, before we even get to Google Drive, you want to make sure your resume is prepared and saved in an easily accessible format. Most people prefer saving it as a PDF or in Word format. So, check your desktop or wherever you typically keep your files to ensure your resume is ready for this upload. Once you've got your file in order, it's time to head over to Google Drive. This is a cloud storage service provided by Google where you can keep all sorts of files, including your resume. Open your web browser and go to the Google homepage. In the upper right corner of your screen, you should see a grid icon. That's the Google Apps icon. Give it a click. From the list that pops up, look for Drive and click on that. Now you're in Google Drive. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and enter your Google account credentials. Now, let's get to the uploading part. In Google Drive, turn your attention to the top left corner of the page. You'll see a button that says New. Click on that. A drop-down menu will appear, and from there, you'll want to select File Upload. This will open up a File Explorer window, and it's where the magic happens. In this new window, navigate to the location where your resume is saved. This could be on your desktop, in your Documents folder, or wherever you keep important files. Once you've located your resume, click on it to select it, and then hit the Open button. Now, what happens next? You will see a small upload window appear in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will show you the progress of your file upload. Just give it a moment. Once it's done, you'll see an Upload Complete notification popping up. Congratulations! You've successfully uploaded your resume to Google Drive. But wait, we're not done yet. It's still good to know where you can find your uploaded resume. If you look under the Recent section on your Drive homepage, you should see your file listed there. Alternatively, it will also show up in My Drive. Want to take a look at it? Simply double-click on the file, and it will open right up for you to review. If you want to download it to another device later on, just right-click on the file. You'll see an option that says Download, click on that, and voila! Your resume is now on your other device, ready to be shared with potential employers. And there you have it. Uploading a resume from Google Drive is that simple. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like the video if you did, or subscribe for more handy tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your job applications.